Everybody's home and car insurance rates are going up. It might be time to start shopping around for a new policy, right? Maybe not. Unpopular opinion here. Maybe this isn't the best time to be looking for a new rate, a better rate on your home insurance or your car insurance, even if it's going up 10, 15, 20% year over year from this past year to now. You just got your renewal in the mail and you're like, I don't understand why this is happening. Well, the thing is, everybody's rates are going up across the board. We are in what's called a hard market for insurance right now, but across the board, rates are going up. And here's why it might not be the best time to shop for a new insurance policy. First, if we're talking home insurance, well, you're gonna be opening up a whole new can of worms when you sign up for a new insurance policy. The insurance company is probably gonna want to do an inspection on your property. No matter what, just about every company we work with right now is going to reevaluate your policy and property if you're signing up for a new policy. Every insurance company we work with is going to look to reevaluate your property when you sign up for a new policy. When you bought your house a couple years ago, the insurance company may or may not have done an inspection to check out the condition of your property, but I can assure you that just about every company is going to be doing that now, which means they'll hire a third-party inspector to come by your house, schedule an inspection with you, either inside or outside of the house or both, take pictures of the home and look at the condition of the home and make sure that it's up to snuff for them. One thing that we can say is that insurance companies are being very strict right now on those inspections. And so it may not be worth it to switch to a new insurance company for the sake of $200, $300, $400 a year savings on your premium if they're gonna come out to your property. Any number of things that they're gonna look at, like electric, plumbing, heating, the utilities in your home. If any of this stuff is potentially showing some signs of wear, it's needing some updating, or possibly needs to be looked at again by a professional, the insurance companies right now are gonna be sure to let you know that, and they may even make it a requirement to maintain coverage with them as that new company takes on your policy. The old company, they may be doing re-inspections again, but a lot of them aren't doing those inspections as frequently as they are on new policies. Number two, all the rates have gone up. Company X was the cheapest rate at the time 3 years ago, but now it's gone up by 10%. Even the other companies that were a little bit more expensive than yours at the time you purchased your policy have gone up at the same rate. And so their costs are also gonna be higher, probably even higher than what your policy renewed at. It might not be the best time to shop because you're not being singled out here. Your company isn't the only one that's experiencing this. It's really across the board. And lastly, when you sign up for a new insurance policy, we're really starting from scratch. We can't just default to matching exactly what you had for coverages on your previous policy. And so we need to start over again, and we need to estimate what would it cost to rebuild your house in today's dollars. We need to put those numbers into the figures when we're getting you a quote. And surprise, everything has gone up. So the amount of coverage that we need to insure your home for may be even higher. And that's a great thing to look into. We could definitely consider reviewing your existing policy and making sure your coverage is adequate. But if we're increasing your coverage, it doesn't mean that your cost is gonna go down. Another example, you may have your insurance bundled, 2 policies with the same company. If you're gonna move one or the other, you may lose some discounts there. A better route might be to consider looking at your existing company and asking, what discounts am I eligible for? What are some ways that I can save money with this policy? Are there coverages that I have that I can learn about and realize maybe I don't need this additional coverage? Why am I spending this money on this? Can I increase my deductible? Can I bundle it with another policy to save some money? There's a lot of things that you can do to work within what you have currently and avoid opening up that can of worms of having a new company come in and look at everything all over again and still possibly save some money on your policy. There's always time for us to look and assess the situation, see what we can do to save you some money, but shopping for a new company, this might not be the best time to do that. With that all being said, we're always happy to look. If the situation is right for you to shop around for a new company, whether you're a current client of ours or anywhere else, just give us a call. We'll definitely look into it for you. These are just some of the reasons why you may want to consider not shopping for a new policy. But if you need our help, just give us a call.